Evergreen Tool Company has introduced the fire suppression industry's first blind penetration seal. The new blind seal allows installation of hood penetration seals from one side of the ventilation hood without need for access to the back of the hood. This product was developed out of the need to properly protect back-to-back ventilation hoods. Here's how it works. Drill, punch, or saw a hole in the sheet metal surface. The hole should not be more than 40 thousandths over size. Install a split washer onto the adapter body such that the flange of the body will fit into the depression in the washer. Insert adapter body flange through the drilled hole. Push the body to one side of the hole and feed the split end of the washer through the remaining space in the hole. Rotate the body and washer such that the washer will advance through the hole. Continue until the washer is through the hole and against the flange of the body. Install the gasket O-ring, O-ring washer, lock washer, and nut. Hand tighten the nut. Move the assembly around in the hole such that you can feel the offset in the split washer drop into the hole. This action will center the fitting assembly into the hole. Wrench tighten the nut to the recommended torque by holding the body with a second wrench placed over the flats on the body between the threads. Install the compression nut with compression seal on the body and tighten several turns. Run the agent pipe, tube, or EMT conduit through the Evergreen blind compression seal and make the necessary connections at both ends of the piping. Wrench tighten the compression nut while holding the fitting with a second wrench positioned over the flats on the body. You may find it easier to assemble these components and tighten the nut half to one turn before putting the assembly into the drilled hole. For additional information or to see other innovative Evergreen Tool products, visit our website www.evergreentool.com or by email sales@evergreentool.com.